Bioplastia. Preparation. Wash hair with a molecular shampoo. Pat with a towel to remove excess water. Intensive hydrating cream. Apply a generous amount of the intensive hydrating cream. Take special care to cover mid-lengths and ends and ensure even distribution. Massage into the hair to improve absorption. Leave-on time. Cover the hair with plastic wrap. Leave the product to work for 20 minutes. Apply dry heat to boost the treatment. Rinse. Rinse to remove all the product from hair. Application cuticle seal. Apply the cuticle seal to mid-lengths and ends. Dry and style hair as usual. Follow-up care recommended.